Hey y'all, it's Bowen. Welcome back to my channel. I am a registered dietitian and homemaker. Today I went to Costco and I'm going to show you all the things I picked up, tell you a little bit about how I use them in my home, and hope to inspire you to go out and get healthy food for your family. So thanks for joining. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe. Hope you'll stick around. So let's just dive right into the Costco things. Okay, we're starting over here with the cold items. So I picked up a pack of ground turkey. I like to make these Feta spinach turkey meatballs, and it's so good for like a quick lunch option. I make a bunch and then freeze them. I love the 100% grass-fed beef patties. It's a really nice, economical, and healthy, quick lunch item. You can cook them from frozen, so it's so fast and so good. I picked up a pack of the beef stew meat. I love obviously making stew with this. I have a recipe for it on my blog. I'll put it down below. It's a very filling, hearty thing you can make for your family. It cost about $20 to make 2 pounds of beef stew, and that's with mostly organic ingredients. And so you can get usually like 6 servings out of that. Especially if you pair it with like bread and butter and something filling, you can really stretch it and make affordable meals for your family. And beef is such a great source of iron and protein. We love to eat beef around here. These Amy Lou chicken breakfast sausage links are really good. They don't have any sugar. That's one of my favorite things about them, or at least they used to not. Let's double check. Yeah, no sugar. This is a giant pack of organic feta, which I'm going to use to make meatballs. And then whatever's left over, I'll just make sure I plan some meals around that. This is the grass-fed Costco brand butter. I pretty much always grab one of these every time I go. So we use a lot of butter around here. Okay, moving on to the snack items. So I grabbed 2 of the cheese crisps. Those were on sale. Toddler loves them. They are a great snack because they have protein and they're filling. You can pair them with some fruit or crackers or whatever. They make a really nice quick snack. The almond flour crackers we also like. The only caveat is they do have sunflower oil, which I'm not a fan of, but you know, it's hard to find crackers that don't have seed oils in them that aren't like an arm and a leg in price. So they work for, you know, every now and then. These were also on sale, the Plantain Chips. They are made with coconut oil, so that's kind of exciting, and that'll be a nice kind of different treat from the crackers. So I grabbed a bag of those, I grabbed these, they were on sale. I grabbed my favorite beef sticks. They were not on sale, but we always keep those on hand because they also make a nice protein-rich snack. I grabbed this pack of tomatoes. These are the crushed tomatoes. These will work good in my stew as an alternative to tomato sauce because it's very similar. It'll just give it like a chunkier feel, so those will work great for that. I have never seen these at Costco, and I was so excited that they had rainbow carrots. I actually had just bought carrots, but I was like, you know what? I can always use more carrots. Especially rainbow ones. So I got really excited about finding those. I grabbed some cucumbers. These make a nice toddler snack as well, easy for him to chew. I grabbed a huge thing of spinach. I'll be using that in my meatballs. I just like wilt it down and mix it in with the meatballs. I did grab a box of Ziploc bags because those were on sale, and then I did get 2 drink items. I have never had the coconut water from Costco, but it looks really high quality, and so I got excited and I just wanted to try it, so I'll let you know how it goes. And then I grabbed the kombucha that was on sale. Now this kombucha did have natural flavoring in it, which I'm not as, you know, I try to avoid that, but I just went for it today and it looks delicious, so I might make like a little mixer with the coconut water and the kombucha. It sounds really refreshing. And that is it for today. I spent about $200, and it doesn't seem like I got that much, but a lot of like meat products, and then of course like snack products always add up in cost. So that's it for today.